Okay, so I've removed the two screws that just hold this on, and now I've just got to twist this off. Don't tug at it because it's got, I don't want to pull the cables off. So I can unplug here. You don't have to unplug it, in fact, but it just makes the job slightly easier. I then have to twist this towards me, off it clicks, and now I've got the typical blackened bulb, which shows you that you've the bulb's at the end of the life, or is broken, with the filaments gradually burnt away. And now you just have to click it in, and out she comes. Okay, notice the offset pins, they have to go in the right way. Here's the new bulb, and it's got the two pads there, it's two connector pads, and the pins, it's got two pins and they're directly opposite each other, and if you look, they're slightly offset, one's deeper than the other, so you have to get that right. Hold it with a tissue where possible. You don't really want greasy fingerprints on them, and you have to find, this is the deep one, so that's got to go in there, and then I've got to twist round. I've got a little window to see that I'm getting it in, and that's in there, right? Can you see that? That's in there. There's a deep pin and an upper pin. So now I've got to twist this back in. Let's plug that in. And now I've got to do the same thing. I've just got to twist it back into place. So I just twisted that back in place. You can see that's the angle that's at. And now to get the unit back in, it's slightly tricky. Don't get your cables tangled up like up here. And you've got a hole here, a hole here, and you've got a prong there, and a prong there. You just got to negotiate them in. When you do that, it's Bob's your auntie. That clicks in. You heard the click. I've now just got to get, and that's repaired. And you just need to get someone out to test the brake light to check it's all repaired.